Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add USDT BEP20 to Trust Wallet. So if you would like to add a USDT to your Trust Wallet, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to click onto the Trust Wallet app, and once it gets open, you will get to this home page. Now here you have to scroll down a bit and you will see this option which is manage crypto. Click onto it, and after that you have to simply search for Tether. Once you search for it, in the result you will get different ones. Now from the results you have to get the BNB chain, or you can say the BNB smart chain. So from the results you can search for USDT BNB smart chain, and once you get it you just have to simply enable it. You can see also it says Tether USD or USDT, so just simply enable it up, and now you just have to simply get back. Then you have to click onto this receive option. Here you just have to simply click onto that USDT that we just added, then you will get this address link, and now you can just simply get your USDT on that link. So that's how you can add USDT BEP20 to Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.